My name's Russell and I live in a one bedroom flat, like ground floor flat. I was looking through all my sort of household bills and I was just trying to think how can I save money on all of them. So I ended up asking Severn Trent to come and do the smart meter. Previous to that, I was paying around £30–40 a month. I got the meter installed and it dropped to around £9 a month. Obviously it goes up with inflation every year or so, but even now I think it's around £18 a month after all those years. So yeah, it's still saving more than I was paying that long ago, which is really great. Like the installation was quite seamless. I didn't even really notice them come and do it. It was all outside, so that was kind of handy. It definitely has made me a bit more economical with water use. So sort of thinking about not just throwing loads of water away unnecessarily and being a bit more economical with it. But I don't think that's like a barrier to saving money with one. I think like a normal set of people would generally save money with a meter rather than not having one. And they've recently put out a new thing on the website where you can log in and you can see like on a day-to-day basis how many litres of water you're using, which can be quite reassuring at times. It's kind of like an extra safety blanket. So yeah, it's all in all, it's been really, really good.